Hi guys, hope you're having a great week. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. This week I really wanted to kind of focus on some snacks. I've been really kind of running around all this week, and I wish that I had a little bit of more snacks or little prepared or some really great pre-prepared small little tidbits that I can put in my mouth while I'm on the go. Instead, I've been in my car kind of eating protein bars and water and starving for most of the day. So to really alleviate that and not starve yourself, it's really important to maybe have some snacks, little things that you can just kind of get up and go. It's not a huge meal, but I definitely have some recipes planned for you this week that are going to alleviate that so that you are not scrounging around to find something to eat, but you have it pre-prepared. They're really simple to do. They're really easy. And so let's get to it. So for our chia pudding, we have a cup and a half of nut milk. I'm using almond today. This is a half a cup of chia seeds. These are the black ones, but you can also use the white ones. I'm going to be adding a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's going to be all of it. You could take all of this, put it in a bowl, just shake it up, put it in the fridge overnight, and then you've got some really nice chia pudding. But today, what I'm going to do is put them all in the blender. In the blender already, you can already see it's a jelly pudding consistency. This is going to turn out fantastic. Overnight oats is also a great thing to have on hand and pre-prepare for your week. So here I have 2 cups of nut milk, a cup of oats, a tablespoon of maple syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla, and then this is just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I'm really just going to dump all of this in the same container here. And then we're going to mix it up. What happens is the oats and the chia is going to absorb all the milk, and this is just a little bit of flavoring, and then you can scoop it out every single morning. I like to warm mine up a little bit, which is really nice. You can add fruit, nut butters, anything that you really want to it. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a shake, and then we're going to put it in the fridge. So when you wake up the next morning, your overnight oats is going to be nice and solid. The oats have soaked up the milk as well as the chia. And then you can just put it in a bowl, top it with some dried fruit, some pumpkin seeds, nut butters, whatever you like, and enjoy. The first thing you want to do is prepare a 9x9 baking dish. Just line it with a little bit of parchment paper so that it is easily able to be taken out when we're done. Then I have 2 cups of oats, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a cup of peanut butter in this case, but you can use any nut butter, and then a half a cup of maple syrup. And like when we're making muffins or a cake, what I like to do is add all the dry ingredients first. So I'm just going to mix the cocoa powder and the oats. And then I'm going to mix together our wet ingredients. So the peanut butter and the maple syrup. Just to make sure that I get all of that in there too. And then just stir this together. And now we're just going to add the wet to the dry. Making sure to get all of it out. And then stir this together. Now we're just going to pour the bar mixture into our pre-prepared dish. Getting all the dry pieces at the bottom as well, because that's going to incorporate a little bit after. And then just using your hands, pressing it down together. And now we put this in the freezer for at least 30 minutes just to firm up. See, so that wasn't so bad, was it? Now you have some really great snacks on hand that are going to keep you full and that are going to be satisfying as well. And you can really, really put your own twist on a lot of the different things. Head down to the notes. I give you some ideas and full recipes will be down there. If you want more ideas and some more recipes, hit me up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. So eat well, work hard, and seize wellness.